She's beautiful. Hi, my sister, how you doing? I want to get to talk to you a little bit. What your name is?
My name is Deborah.
Deborah, you from Africa?
No, I'm not.
Where you from, honey?
Jersey.
Huh?
New Jersey.
I'm from Jamaica.
Okay.
That's your birthland is New York? Your birthland is New York City.
Okay.
You see, you're born here.
I'm born in New Jersey.
You're born in New Jersey. Beautiful. But you know you got that culture like a Jamaican though. You got that hot spicy, you're sexy, no rascal. When we see you're sexy no rascal. You look good and you do your thing. You're not sitting on wait for a man to give you $1. You're out here trying to get $1 for yourself. Right? You're not out here waiting for a man to give you $1. You're out here trying to get $1 for yourself. And I'm proud of you. Many people need $1, but they're not going to come out here and try to make $1.
Yeah.
Oh, you understand?
Yeah.
So I'm proud of you, what you're doing, and I like your little look. I think it's cute, and I think it's working for you.
All right.
You know, definitely. I don't need any candy. You know, but you know what? I'm going to, I have to purchase a candy from you for $1 because it's $1 and it's candy. Okay, and you're out here working and you look beautiful.
Okay.
God bless you in everything that you touch. God bless you in everything that you do. Come and get a candy, it's only $1. God bless you, sister, and may God be with you. I love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
I'm Miffy
Where's
Telly.
your phone number? Your number.
I'm going to give it to you, baby.
Okay.